everyone, I do hope you're well. I'm going to make a Hushan themed charm bracelet today. Very simple. I'm using a bracelet that's 8 inches long. This one has tiny little balls and it has a 2-inch extender chain. Tiny little 3mm jump rings, and these are very lightweight, inexpensive charms. 2 shells, dolphin, starfish and a little fish. I'm halfway in between these tiny balls, something like that. And this bracelet is made of stainless steel, and the charms are just a very lightweight alloy. Very simple to make. You just need to know how to open and close jump rings. So I'll link that video for you. So let's get started. I am using 2 pairs of pliers today and some 3mm silver jump rings. I do have a website that sells handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies, which is www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, which I'll link below for you. And there's usually some kind of offer. So these will actually, because the chain is so fine, these will not fit in between. They're just too thick, and they are the thinnest I've actually got in this size. But what I'm going to do is they'll actually, although they're on the jump ring, they will be able to slide backwards and forwards in between those balls. So we take jump ring, pliers each side, and then open, always open and close like this, never like that. So we attach the charm, make sure it's wide enough for the chain to go in between. I might have to just open that a little bit more. There's the first one. And then close. So it will actually slide along like this. Then we do the next one. Touch the fish. I'm going to go in between there. See, it slides. That's what it looks like. Take another jump ring. Gap at the top. Open the jump ring. Let's do the dolphin now. You may hear the wind from Storm. Is it Isha? Aisha? It's just started. Let me close. What projects are you working on at the moment? Let me know in the comments below. Are you having any? Obviously my tutorials are aimed at the beginner, so are you having any problems doing something or wondering how something is done? I'll try my best to answer or show you if I can. So there's the starfish. And then the very last one. This is just a plain charm bracelet, but you can add colourful beads or enamel ocean themed charms, again, which are all available on the website if you want to design your own. Just going to open that a little bit more. There we go. There's the bracelet. Put those away. So there's the charm bracelet. Just do that up. There. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available and lots more planned. Thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.